Hi guys, my name is Parakpal and welcome back in my new video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the project management dashboard which is required while the project reviews. So basically, whenever you do a project reviews, it might be your weekly, bi-weekly or month-wise with your higher management. So you can use this dashboard representation to portray the proper information. Hi guys, my name is Parag and welcome to PM Learn. This is my second YouTube channel. On YouTube, I hope you don't forget to subscribe this channel. So let's get started. I have created this dashboard by considering some requirement of the project management. Such as you can see here, this dashboard define the overall progress. It means it's define the baseline start when your baseline start consideration, okay, for the project. When you're supposed to finish the project at plant stage, then with respect to actual scenario, when you exactly start your project, and what is your expected date for the finish of the project? What is the delay in the duration? Like 45 days your project is gonna delay. And what is your closure date? So you can see the baseline finish was in 18 December, but it was supposed to be complete by 18 December, but because of delay, it is getting completed on 10th of Feb 2025. So that is a huge difference you can see here, right? So this representation is really helpful, really straightforward for the higher management to understand where we are standing with respect to of the deadlines. You can see also the safety statistics, such as if it is a risk identified during the project review, you can mention yes. If it is no, you can mention no, right? Now you can see if there are any hazards. So if there are any hazards in the project progress, so you can see that during the project progress, there is an impact on the program. So as you can see that there is a delay. So definitely this delay is relevant to the some specific aspects of the project parameters, which leads to the some delay. Now you can see I have used the Indian currency to define the financial working progress. So financial WIP is considered as a 14 lakh 56,000. Okay, it means 0.14 million, right? So that's what we have defined as a financial WWIP over here. Now, is there any marginal impact? So yes, there's a 25% marginal impact in your project. So just this, don't worry about these figures. These are only the considered figures. Basically, this should be the 5%. Okay. Now, is there any resource issue? Yes. If you have any resources, you can put over there. If you don't have, not as of now. So this representation is you can use for the project reviews. And this really good provide a clear indications where we are standing irrespective of the project. Okay. Now, if you can come more down, you can see there is a risk identification also mentioned here. So number of risk, how many risks you have? Is the 10 number of risk you identified? Okay, sounds good. How many are them are mitigated till date? 5 number of risk you have mitigated. How many risk having the highest severity? So you can see there's a 2 risk is having the highest severity across the project during the project review. Is there any risk for the row severity? Yes, you do have a 3 risk which are the low severity, right? Now, what are the point needs to be discussed in the project review that also we are capturing over here, such as mitigate the delay. Okay, how we can mitigate this delay? That's the first discussion that we need to discuss with the higher management. Is it the financial impact? Do we need to take any hit in the financial impact? So that thing we are going to discuss. The second thing, connect with the subcontractor. Is there any subcontractor involved? So, what is the issue with him? Is there any payment issue? Is there any quality issue? Is there any non-delivery issue? So, what are the issues that subcontractor facing or we are facing because of the subcontractor that we need to discuss with the project management, higher project management? WIP to be mitigate. Obviously, you are taking the as per the Indian standard 14 lakh 56,000. It's a very huge work in progress, which is an unbilled amount with you. So that definitely you need to mitigate over a time period. And the earned value, actual value is leading behind. So you can see the earned value, actual value, it is leading behind. So now That is also we need to discuss with the financial during the project review. So you can see guys, like in this PM Learn channel, I wanted to provide you some good informations which help you to bring your project information in front for the higher project management. Okay, so you can see here I'm representing what was the planned progress. So my planned progress was 61 percentage, but overall progress as of now is 67 progress. Now you can see it seems like I am defining here that I'm getting delay behind, but it's here I'm representing that I am ahead of the schedule. What does it means? It is also some sort of indications that we are not meeting the deadline. So let me just update this one that we are on time. Okay, so if you want to update this whole scenario, you can also update this dashboard. Okay, if you can just come here, let me just update this one. So I'm coming here. Let me just put here that overall progress is 57%. I was supposed to do this one and planned was the 61. Now it is irrelevant with my dates. So you can see it is updating on time, a dynamic function I'm using in this dashboard. So 57 is my overall progress right now. Okay, but now the planned progress was 61. That's the reason I'm leading behind. Okay, what are the milestones? What are the tasks are involved in my project review during my project review that I have considered that the mobilization, construction, delivery, tendering and contracting and closing. So these are all my progress which are involved. Okay, and sooner I'm gonna drop the percentage completion. I'm gonna modify this dashboard at some different level with the percentage and the actual baseline tracing in this Gantt chart. Now you can see here I am defining what was the planned hours for to complete to accommodate this work of the civil, mechanical and electrical, and how much work that we have actually accomplished. It means 1456 hours was defined for the civil, but as of now only 456 hours are utilized. What does it means? Is it relevant to my budget? It is relevant to my baseline? If it is not, then what is the issue? Do we really have a resource problem? Do we really have any subcontracting issue? That's what we need to discuss during the project review. Okay, that's the reason these are the very small indications but really helpful while the discussion with the higher management. Now if you come to the yes curve, the project budget planned versus actual. So you can see guys, here I have representation that what was my baseline, okay, what is my budget, right, how my actual scenario is going across, and what is my forecasting is done. So you can see guys, my based upon my baseline and based upon my budget, I am always performing a very downside with respect to my actual scenario. It means I am always going on a negative direction. My earned value is not matching with my planned situation. It means I am always leading behind. My standard SPI, schedule performance index, and cost performance index are negative side. It means I am leading back. Okay, or I have a depreciation in my project, you can say that, right? I am not mitigating that planned budget. But you can see the forecast scenario and we are defining that no, still we have captured here as a backend scenario, but as you can see, we may definitely reach out this situation, but yes, we require some time period over here to accommodate the work. So you can see that this planned completion was here, but as per the budget, we are stretched here, but as per the forecasting and real situation, we will be completing here. So this is a delay what we are defining and that's coming over there. So this is a representation what I have utilized in my dashboard. Now guys, I wanted to take you to the to my this dashboard, okay, from where you can see this one. So let me just pull on that scenario. Give me a moment. Okay, let me just bring this up so you can able to see this. Uh, Give me a moment, please. Yeah. So now you can see this is my website civilnotes.com. Okay, and let me just bring you my YouTube channel. So you can also visit my YouTube channel because this YouTube channel is really gonna help you. Okay, so this is PM Learn. You can you can search like this PM Learn on your YouTube. You can see this is my YouTube channel. Okay, and you can come here, please click on the subscribe button and you will definitely get lots of information of the project management on this, right? So if you visit my website, you can see if you go to the dashboard or if you could just go to the project management scenario, please refer the link in the description box. So you can come down and you can take a reference of this. Okay. So this is an image I'm providing to you. Okay. For your kind help. If you wanted to take this dashboard, please reach out to me. Okay, I have, or please comment me in the comment section. Okay, or you can just use my email ID civilnoteshelp@gmail.com, or you can also do the comment in my this on this my post, right? So this is really a very good scenario. Okay, very good example of the project reviews, right? And I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, and you are going to definitely like this video. Share with your friend. Don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn and have a nice day. Bye bye.